Parts of speech. Words are divided into different categories of words which are called parts of speech. There are 8 types of parts of speech. Number 1, noun. 2, pronoun. 3, adjective. 4, verb. 5, adverb. 6, preposition. 7, conjunction. 8th, interjection. Number 1, noun. Words that refer to a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Ali, Karachi, beauty, tiger, etc. Ali went to Lahore. Ali and Lahore are nouns. She bought a pencil. Pencil is also noun. Number 2, pronoun. A word used in the place of a noun is called pronoun. For example, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, etc. He is a boy. They are playing with their friends. He, they, and there are pronouns. Number 3, adjective. A word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun. It adds to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. For example, bad, beautiful, good, lazy, old, red, etc. He is a good player. She is a tall girl. Good and tall are adjectives. Number 4, verb. A word that expresses an action performed by the subject or a state experienced by the subject. For example, come, go, play, read, write, etc. I always help you. They went there. Help and went are verbs. Number 5, adverb. A word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, almost, quickly, happily, etc. She was running quickly. They ran very fast to go there. Quickly and very are adverbs. Number 6, preposition. A word used before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with another noun or pronoun in the sentence. For example, in, on, at, under, after, over, for, etc. She came from the college. The fish jumped into the water. From and into are prepositions. Number 7, conjunction. A word which joins words, phrases, or sentences. For example, and, or, but, through, whether, etc. Ahmed and Ali are present. He is honest but mean. And but are conjunctions. Number 8, interjection. A word which expresses some sudden feelings of joy, sorrow, or surprise. For example, Allah's, hurrah, hush, superb, excellent, etc. Hurrah, we have won the game. Hush, don't make a noise. Hurrah and hush are interjection. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.